the TikTok dance trend. Yes, the actual name is TikTok. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now, let's get started. So, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now, the first two moves we're gonna do are 1, 2, like that. So, at the beginning, we're gonna wait a little bit, like about 3 seconds, and then we're gonna go 1, 2. So first, it's a small step, like this, in our hands. Don't do a complete circle, but go like halfway, and then they go back, and then do a circle. So it's gonna be like this: 1, back, 2, like that. So 1, 2. It's gonna be fast, so it's gonna look like this: 1, 2, like that. So after this, we're gonna go swing, swing, like that. So we're gonna swing our hands to the right, to the left, and when we are swinging our hands, one important thing is our legs have to be bent when our hands are over here, and then we straighten them like that, and then we go back. So it's gonna be like this: 1, 2. And it's also easier to swing when our legs are separated, because when they're together, it's gonna look weird, like this. So I prefer to keep them separated, like that. So from the beginning, it's gonna be like this: 1, 2, and then 1, 2. So now is when the hardest part starts. Well, not the hardest one, but it's a little bit harder. So we're gonna go roll our hands. When we roll our hands, we're going to do a circle. We're not going to roll our hands in one place. We're going to do a circle around our legs like that. So 1, and then we're going to go 1 and 2. So when we roll our hands, after that we're going to do a small jump. It doesn't have to be high, because then you're not going to have enough time. So it's going to be 1 small jump and 2, like that. So for this, we're gonna just twist our right leg. 1, 2, like that. So let's start from the very beginning. 1, 2, swing, swing, roll, and jump, like that. So now, after this, we're gonna do cross our arms, just cross and uncross them over here. Then we're gonna go like this. It just says sun, kiss, skin. So like this, and then we're gonna like show our skin. So we're gonna do like this. So by the way, this dance is very fast, but every movement has to be like wide. It can't be like this, just, it has to be wide. So just keep that in mind. So let's do it from the very beginning slowly. Then we're gonna go faster and faster. So 1, 2, swing, swing, roll, and 2, and then cross, 2, circle, like that. Let's just call this movement circle. So after this circle, we're gonna go 1, 2, like that. So it's like a small wave, like this: 1, 2, and so we're gonna start with our head going back. We can do it either like this or like this. I prefer to do it like this: 1, 2, and then we're gonna go cross and cross up. So let's do it from the very beginning slowly, and then I'm gonna explain that part a little bit more. So 1, 2, swing, swing, roll, and 2, cross, and circle, 1, 2, cross and cross up. So for the cross and cross up, I just call this move like that. I don't know how you call it. When we cross our arms, I'm gonna look to the left. And then when we uncross them, we look forward, like that. So 1, 2, and then we're gonna go up, like that. So when we go up, we're gonna stand on our toes. We have to pretend we have anything here, for example, a table, and we're just leaning on that table and going up, pushing off of that table. So let's do it from the very beginning. 1, 2, swing, swing, roll, and 2, cross, 2, circle, 1, 2, cross making moves actually make sense, like combined with the sound. So after this, we're gonna go 1, 2. So our hand is gonna be like this. It's our right hand, and it says something about a party. So it's 1, 2, and then cross, cross. So 1, 2, cross, cross, like that. So after this, we're gonna do 1. It's like we have someone here and we're just calling them, right? Then we're gonna show me. I call this movement like this, me. And then we're gonna do like a circle like this. So let's do this part again. So 1, 2, cross, cross, come, me, circle. So to do this circle, what we have to do is do a small jump. It doesn't have to be high like this, because I guess you already saw how weird that looks, right? So we're gonna just do a small jump like that. So 1, and then when we do that jump, the leg that is behind does a circle over here. It doesn't have to be a high circle like that. It's not gonna look nice. So just a small circle, and that's it. And for our hand, we're gonna do just a circle with our index finger. So let's do it from the very beginning slowly. 1, 2, swing, swing, roll, and 2, cross, 2, circle, 1, 2, cross, across, up, 1, 2, cross, cross, come, me, circle, like that. So after this comes the fastest and hardest part. So I guess it's the hardest just because it's the fastest. But as we're gonna practice it a couple times, you will totally get it, so don't worry about that. So first we're gonna go 1, 2, like that. So after the circle, we're gonna wait half a second, not more, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, like that. So I'm gonna explain how to do that. Our left hand is over here in front of us. Our hand is in a fist, and well, both our hands are in fists. And then this one goes up. So first it goes to the side, and then up, like that. So 1, 2. So when we go to the side, it goes up, and then it does a circle down. So it's half a circle, right? Like this. So 1, 2. So it's gonna be 1, 2. And then for our legs, we're just twisting them while we do this. So it's 1, 2, like that. When we do it slower, it's gonna look harder, but then when we do it fast, it's gonna be easier. So 1, 2, just practice it faster. That's gonna be easier for you. So we're gonna do 1, 2, and then we go come, just the same thing we did before, right? But this time it's faster. 1, and then 2, 3. I know this looks weird, but fast is gonna look really cool. So our hands are behind our head, and then with our left leg, we're not gonna do anything. Right one is like this. Just pretend we're showing our, we're showing our shoes. Just pretend we're trying to show them, but with our hand, right? Like this. And then we're gonna go 2, like that. So 1, 2. Once again, 1, 2, like that. So let's do it from here, slowly, and then a little bit faster, and then we will go on. So 1, 2, come, 2, 3. So when we do this, our hands are over here, bent, like that. So faster, it's gonna be like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, like that. So, did you remember it? Let's go on. So, after this, I'm gonna show you 2 more moves, and then we'll do it from the beginning, and then I'm gonna show you what's next. Because we don't have much more left. We have only a few moves left. So, after this, we're gonna go. Again, come. It's the last time we do it in this dance. And then we're gonna go kick, step, step. Why do I call this move kick, step, step? Because basically the name explains the move. So first for our legs, we're gonna kick with our right leg, like that, 1. Then we're gonna step on that leg, and then we're gonna step again. So it's gonna be like this, kick, step, step. Once again, kick, step, step. And then for our hands, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. So 1, switch, switch. Once again, 1, switch, switch. And then we're gonna combine them together. 1, 2, 3. Once again, kick, step, step. Once again, and then we'll go on. Kick, step, step. So, let's do it from the very beginning slowly. And then we're gonna go on, and then we're gonna practice it faster. So, 1, 2, swing, swing, roll. And 2, 1, 2, circle, 1, 2, cross and cross up, 1, 2, cross, cross, come, me, circle, 1, 2, come, 2, 3, and then come, kick, step, step, like that. So, after the kick, step, step, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna stand over here so it's a lot easier for you to understand. Our hand goes up, like that. Our other hand can be either here or here. But I think this looks weird, so I'm gonna do it like this. And then our other hand just points upwards. And then we're gonna show it 2, because it says tonight. So for 2, and then for night, we're gonna do a circle around our head with our hand. So, from the kick, step, step, it's gonna be like this. Kick, step, step, up, to, night. Like that. Then I'm going to show you the last moves because we have about 3 moves left, and then we're going to do it from the beginning twice. So, 2, night, and then she says, I'm in fight. So, our hands go up like this, and then a side punch with our right hand. So, up, punch, up, side punch. Once again, up, side punch. So, then it says, till we see the sunlight. So we're gonna do this. Now we can do this a lot of different ways. We can do it either like this, or some people do it like this. So you can do whatever you want, but your hands have to show like the sunlight. Just pretend, right? You're talking about the sunlight, how do you do it? You choose. So I'm just gonna do it like this, like that. So, 1, 2, 3, and then the last move is a whoa. So just up, whoa. Once again, up, whoa. You can do this whoa if you want, but I think for this it's easier to do this. So, whoa. Now, we're gonna do it from the beginning twice. Once slow, once fast, and we are done. So, let's go. Are you ready? 1, 2. Swing, swing, roll, and 2, cross, 2, circle, 1, 2, cross, across, up, 1, 2, cross, cross, come, me, circle, 1, 2, come, 2, 3, come, kick, step, step, up, 2, 9, up, side punch, 1, 2, 3, and whoa. That's it. So now we're going to do it from the very beginning. Faster. It's not the normal speed, but it's faster. And after this video, you're just going to practice it faster and faster, and you will get it eventually because you already know the moves. So, let's go. 1, 2, swing, swing, roll, and 2, cross, 2, circle, 1, 2, cross and cross up, 1, 2, 1, 2, come, me, circle, 1, 2, come, 2, 3, come, 1, 2, 3, up, 2, 9, up, side punch, 1, 2, 3, and whoa, that's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, comment what dances you want me to do next, and I hope to see you soon.